But if you get two of them, I think they go down to 11 something.
Is it cheaper for 3?
No, unfortunately, it's just the two.
Do you do recycling on like some AA and AAA batteries also?
Yes, but we also split the cost. Yeah. So it's about
Yeah, just your standards. Of course, if you didn't have, it's just a pound or two. Don't even worry about that. But if you've got multiple, you can. 52 pounds.
It'll be like a handful, maybe, you know.
Yeah, that's
Just hate
nothing.
throwing them in the garbage.
Exactly. You're right. That's perfect. Yeah, it's definitely something just like a handful or a pound or two. We won't even charge you for that. So just bring them in, and that's definitely the green thing to do.
Searching. Until we get home, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, but at least it's got power to it now. You know?
Yeah, they were running now within 15 minutes or so.
Oh wow, yeah.